Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.gardencityschool.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Garden City British School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option information. If you click this link information, you can get one of the option recruitment. If you click this link recruitment, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic years 21-22 September. So these are the vacancies for September 21-22. So they are mentioned here. They are seeking the following teacher for kindergarten 1 and kindergarten 2 classroom teacher with a teaching degree. Primary classroom teachers grade 1 to 5 capable of delivering the full range of subject. Specialist teachers secondary in all areas. That means all the subject secondary teacher they are seeking for the September 21-22. So interested applicant should email a CV and cover letter to recruitment@gardencityschool.ae. So you have to send your CV and cover letter immediately. So teachers traveling alone or those already living in Align are strongly encouraged to apply. So application are acceptable from newly qualified teacher without previous teaching experience also they are considering. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can forward your CV and cover letter recruitment@gardencityschool.ae. So this is the way you have to submit Garden City British School teaching job vacancies for September 21-22. So this is Align UAE. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.peps.ae. If you are entering this URL, Providence English Private School. In this main page, one of the option in right corner, career available. If you click this link career, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. So here they are given what are the career vacancies for academic year 21-22. The first job vacancies head of max department, male or female teacher, qualification master degree, complete attestation, should have equivalency of all degrees, experience minimum 2 years, location Sharjah. You have to send your CV admin@peps.ae. So the next one is mathematics teacher, the same procedure, physics teacher AS and A level, English teacher, kindergarten teacher, physical education non-Arab, mathematics teacher AS and A level, English instructor, chemistry teacher AS and A level, internal examination controller. So these are the vacancies for in this school. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV admin@peps.ae. So here they are given steps for certificate attestation and equivalency. The first step attestation, Asian and South Africans only. You have to attest your grade 10, 11 and 12 certificate from original country and foreign affairs in addition to your university degree. Minimum 3 years university degree required. The second certificate should be attested from your country, higher education and foreign affairs. The third certificate should be attested from UAE embassy. The second step equivalency they are given here. Take attested original university degree 4 years, transcript, high school diploma, original passport to Ministry of Education. So please visit Ministry of Education and ask about equivalency of your degree. So everything they are clearly mentioned here. Otherwise, if you wish to apply online also, you can use this career form. So which post are you going to apply? You can mention here your name, email ID, age, gender, nationality, mobile number. Then you can attach your CV here. Once you have to choose file means you can attach your CV. Once you have attached it, you can send your job application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Providence English Private School teaching job vacancies. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from everything in the menu itself. Otherwise, you can comment. I will reply to you. So the third one is, you can enter in the URL www.uasdubai.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get the main page, Universal American School. In this main page, one of the option, work with us. If you click this link, work with us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Universal American School. So Universal American School seek teachers who are passionate about teaching, have the appropriate credential, minimum degree, advanced degree preferred, and ideally will have 3 or more years experience including teaching in international school. So here they are given. So teacher with experience are required, highly desirable for certain assignment at elementary level and high school level. So here they are clearly mentioned what are the current openings. If you want job description, position job description, you can click here. So first we can check what are the teaching job vacancies. So here there is no admin vacancies, teaching faculty. If you click this link, teaching faculty, they are given here. We are recruiting, soliciting teaching faculty for the following position: primary year program coordinator, secondary English language literature teacher, secondary Spanish, secondary humanities teacher, biology teacher, physics teacher, middle year program design teacher, digital literacy specialist, whole school. So these are the vacancies for Universal American School. So if you are interested these vacancy, you can apply as per the instance. For example, if you are interested for apply biology teacher, mean you can click this link, biology teacher. So before that you can check it in your job description here, teacher position description. So if you click this link, you can get what is the teacher job description for Universal American School. So what is the qualification they are given? Planning and curriculum, communication and participation, professionalism. So everything they are mentioned in your job description. Make sure before applying, please check your job description. If you are satisfied with all these things, you can apply. So here biology teachers, when the job posted mean 8th April 2021 they posted the job. This is Dubai American University School. In right corner you have to click apply now. So if you click this link apply now, you can get one job application form. So this is job application form. If you have login ID and password, you can log in. Otherwise you can register your account. Initially you can register your account, you can automatically will be redirected to your login page. So this is the job application form. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. There are only 8 sections to this application form. You have to fill and you can record your up-to-date CV maximum of 2 pages and cover letter maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. The first one is my documents. You can upload your document, CV, cover letter and supporting document here. Once you have uploaded, you can save here. If you click this link save, in right corner it will be automatically it will save. The second one, you have to fill personal information. Your red color asterisks are mandatory, so make sure please check and you have to save one by one. Then previous employment, education, language, certification and license, references, specific question. So all the details you have to fill and you have to save. So once you have completed these all the 8 section, then you can submit your job application. Finally you can give it to apply. Once you have finished, you can give it to apply. Once you have submitted your job application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. This is the way you have to apply American Universal School. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.